Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss functional dependent independent problems. So, when you can say that a given function is functionally dependent or independent. So, if its Jacobian is 0, then you can say that UV are said to be functionally dependent. If the Jacobian is not equal to 0, then functionally independent. Okay. So, let us consider one problem. He has given u is equal to e power x into sin y, v is equal to e power x into cos y. Find whether u comma v are functionally dependent or functionally independent. For that one, what you have to do? First, you have to find out dou uv by dou xy. You have to find out what is that one. Dou u by dou x you have to find out. So dou u by dou x you have to find out. Dou u by dou x means with respect to x means y is a constant. That means sin y is a constant. Then e power x differentiation is e power x. Okay. Similarly, dou u by dou y with respect to y means x is a constant. Therefore, e power x into so cos y differentiation. So cos y differentiation how much? Sorry, here only u one thing. So u also with respect to y you have to do. With respect to y means x is a constant. Therefore e power x as it is you have to write it. So with respect to y means sin y will become cos y. Next, similarly dou v by dou x with respect to x. It is not y. Dou v by dou x with respect to x means cos y is a constant. E power x differentiation e power x. So dou v by dou y with respect to y means e power x is a constant. Write it as usual. Cos y differentiation minus sin y. Now dou u v by dou xy. So the determinant is like this. So just you substitute all the values. What you are going to get? Just to do the cross multiplication, you left with so minus e power minus you get it outside e power x into sin square y plus cos square y. That means minus e power x. That means the Jacobian is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means functionally independent. So the two UV are said to be functionally independent. So next, you come across the one more problem. U is equal to x by y, v is equal to x plus y by x minus y. Test the function for the dependence. If so, find the relation between u comma v. So first you have to find out the Jacobian. That means dou uv by dou xy. For that one, dou u by dou x with respect to x, y is a constant. X differentiation 1. Next, the same with respect to y. With respect to y means x is a constant. X as usual 1 by differentiation minus 1 by y square. Similarly, this v with respect to x. With respect to x means we have to follow the u by v model. V into denominator into numerator differentiation minus numerator into denominator differentiation by whole square, denominator square. So if you simplify this one, you are going to get minus 2y by x minus y whole square. Similarly, dou v by dou y with respect to y means x is a constant. So u by v formula I have applied. So you left with 2x by x minus y whole square. So next, dou uv by dou xy means this is the determinant. Just substitute all the values here and do the cross multiplication. What you left with here it is again 2x by y into x minus y whole square minus 2x by x minus y whole square into y. So will get cancelled equal to 0. If the Jacobian equal to 0, u and v are said to be functionally dependent. What is the relation? Just what is the relation? Functionally dependent. What is the relation means? So from v you conclude you take common y. So y if you take common x by y plus 1 by y into x by y minus 1. So x by y how much? U. So therefore y will get cancelled. X by y is nothing but u plus 1 by u minus 1. That implies v is equal to u plus 1 by u minus 1 is the relation between u and v. Next, u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. V is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So dou u by dou x means with respect to x means y is a constant, and v by u by v model formula I have applied. So simplify this one, you are going to get it as 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy whole square. Similarly, dou u by dou y with respect to y means if you simplify you are going to get it as 1 plus x square by 1 minus x whole square. Next v, if you with respect to x means 1 by 1 plus x square, because tan inverse y is a constant, therefore 0. Though v by dou y means x is a constant, therefore tan inverse y differentiation 1 by 1 plus y square. Next Jacobian is nothing but this with this one, substitute all the values. Finally what you, if you cross multiply, and what you are going to get it is 0. Therefore u and v are functionally dependent. What is the relation between these two means v is equal to, take v tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we have a formula tan inverse a plus tan inverse b means tan inverse a plus b by 1 minus a by ab. If you consider x plus y by 1 minus xy, this is nothing but u. Therefore v is equal to tan inverse u is the relation between u and v. Next, show that the function u is equal to something, v is equal to something, w is equal to something. So first what you have to do, dou u by dou x with respect to x means y and z are constants. That means yz will, this one will become 0, you are going to get y plus z. Next, dou u by dou y with respect to y means x z are constants, last one will get 0. So dou u by z you will get y plus x. Similarly dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Similarly dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. Now the determinant looks like this if you substitute all the values. So now I am going to, what I am doing is that to get it outside of the determinant, so you will get like this. Next I will apply one row operation. R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2, therefore you will get like this, x plus y plus z. So here also x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is in the entire row, take common, therefore 2 into x plus y plus z into so and so. So we the determinant is having the two similar rows, therefore the determinant value is 0. Therefore though u v b w by dou x y z 0 means u v w are functionally dependent. What is the relation? What is the relation means w square is, w is equal to how much, x plus y z. W square means x plus y plus z whole square. A plus b plus c whole square formula is this one. So already you know the values. X square plus y square plus z square is v. Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to u. So w square is equal to v plus 2u is the relation between u, v, w. Next, verify something he has given, u, v and w. So dou u by dou x is equal to 2. Similarly dou u by dou y minus 1, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou z, so and so. Just to substitute all the values. So in the first column it is 2, get it outside. In the second column minus 1, get it outside. So the determinant is having the two similar rows, therefore it is 0. Therefore u comma v comma w are functionally dependent. What is the relation between that means u plus v minus 2w, if you consider that part. So if you add all r, that one you are going to get it 0. Therefore u plus v minus 2w is equal to 0 is the relation between u, v, w. This is about the concept of the functionally dependent and independent. Thank you.